Alright, introducing the Kubota 422 60-inch cut. I'm going to go over a few things here. I'm going to start with the dump valve for the transmission. It's easy to get to if you lift the seat. You have one on the right hand side and one on the left hand side. If you pull these, it's actually going to relieve the pressure on the pumps, making it easier to push or maneuver around the yard. If the mower does not crank, or if you have an issue with it, you can easily push it. Number two, fuel tank on the hydraulic reservoir cannot be overfilled. It will overflow. Make sure it's just at the bottom of the reservoir. Three, we've got the ride adjustment. You can turn this to the right, back to the left. That's actually going to adjust the seat tension. If you need a little more bounce, you can turn it to the left. If you need it to be a little more stiffer in your ride and you like that, you can turn it back to the right. The seat adjustment, forward and reverse, a lot of times you see it, it goes to the outside. This one actually goes on to the inside to reduce it bending, push it to the inside and move it. Hour meter will indicate your hours of service, which is actually located right beside the service chart under the seat. So you can refer to your hour meter, refer right back to that chart. It's going to tell you daily inspections, weekly inspections, just routine maintenance stuff that will allow you to understand where the mower is, what time it is for services, daily checks that you can do, and the big services that you can bring it in for us to do.